I'm Brodie Hill. I'm on the family dairy farm. We've been here for 6 years. The farm is located in the northwest Tasmania, so about 30 minutes west of Devonport. So we're primarily a pasture-based dairy farm and milking 500 cows. When my parents purchased the farm, the first thing we looked at was how we can make the operation more efficient, and the first thing we noticed is the water infrastructure was quite dilapidated and old, and we actually saw this as a good opportunity to invest in some more sustainable and time-efficient infrastructure. So the first thing we did was engage ANZ and see what our financing options were. So initially we bought 2 pivots, they went up about 4 years ago, and with the latest pivot we've actually engaged ANZ and again further explored our options, and that's when our bank manager Jake Elmer introduced the CEFC. He said we can partner with this corporation who can offer an energy saving discount of 0.7%.
So that was a really cost-effective way for the Hills to look at investing back into their farm whilst also saving some money through finance.
This underpins the sustainability of the farm, so really aligning with 2 pillars being environmentally sustainable and financially sustainable. So the environmental piece is using less megalitres of water, using less energy to actually grow the same amount of grass, and obviously the financial sustainability piece is in turn less expense to grow the same amount of grass. Because we can maintain a bit of business strength, we can actually also look towards the environmental side as well, so we are seeing a benefit of that.
Well, the way things are going, I don't think anybody's paying less for their power account than they were 12 months ago, that's for sure. So it's only heading in one direction, and that's not good. So I think whatever we can do to reduce that sort of footprint, we're on a winner.
So it's really important in my role that I'm educating my clients that these offers are available, and that in turn that through energy efficiency and promoting sustainable farming, that there's also a cost savings there for them.
What we're seeing here with the Hills is just one example of how our customers are actually saving, not just financially upfront but also longer term, and they're setting up their businesses for the future. So in essence of being able to get into more sustainable assets, they're saving on their environmental footprint, they're reducing their overall costs, which allows their business to be a lot more sustainable long term, and like the Hills, looking for the next generation and how to make that sustainable for them.
I think it's really important that organisations like ANZ are the role models for looking to make a more clean, green, energy efficient nation, and hopefully other organisations and industries can follow suit.
With the CFC we've actually can see an immediate benefit to our bottom line, and it's actually good to see a company like that actually helping farmers like us on the ground help our business and improve our sustainability going forward.
You just cannot keep mining stuff and taking off the top without putting back in, so I think we've got to put back so it's still there in the future for the next generation.